And replication and repetition are ways that we can evaluate whether or not our measurement is accurate and improve the accuracy of our measurement. So what repetition means is that you increase the number of measurements, all right, and you do that to, the reason you do that is you improve the sample size, and by improving the sample size, what it allows you to do is it allows you to evaluate the mean and the standard deviation more representative of the actual population. Okay, we'll talk a little bit more about statistics later in the course, but that's why you want to increase the number of measurements. All right, replication is the ability to repeat a test under similar conditions at different times and still obtain the same result. Okay, so if you do it at different places, you're basically showing that, oh, I can get the same result at a different time, and so you're showing the consistency of the process, the measurement process that you took. All right, concomitant methods, all right, is a way to also check to see if your measurement is accurate. All right, and what you do, concomitant methods is using two or more methods, measurement techniques, right, to measure the same thing. Alright, so for example, if you wanted to measure the volume of a cylinder of solid aluminum, okay, so just a solid aluminum cylinder, alright, you can do it two ways, alright. The first way would be to measure the length of the cylinder and to measure its diameter. Alright, you know that the volume of the cylinder would be equal to pi over 4 times the diameter squared times the length. Alright, so you could evaluate the volume that way. Then you can check to see if your volume calculation was correct or close by measuring the mass of the cylinder using a scale. Alright, and if you divided the mass by the density, you could then, of aluminum, you could then determine the volume. Right? So both of these methods are correct, but by doing both of these measurements, you're verifying that the volume that you calculate with one method agrees with the other method. Okay? And there's many instances in engineering where you'd want to use those concomitant methods to ensure that you're getting accurate results.